Can you really use Basecamp for free? That's the million-dollar question for many individuals and teams looking for a robust project management and collaboration tool without breaking the bank. In a world saturated with freemium models and limited free trials, it's easy to get confused about what's genuinely free and what's just a teaser. Today, we're diving deep into Basecamp's pricing structure, exploring whether a free option truly exists, what its limitations are, and if it's the right fit for your needs. For years, Basecamp was known for its incredibly simple, flat-rate pricing model. One price, unlimited users, a breath of fresh air in an industry often riddled with complex per-user fees and tiered features. However, the landscape has shifted. In October 2022, Basecamp updated its pricing. So, if you're holding on to old information, it's time for an update. Let's clear the air right now. Basecamp does not offer a forever free plan for general business use, like some other project management tools out there. That classic, unlimited user, flat-rate pricing for businesses is now a premium offering. If you're a standard business or team, you'll be looking at their paid plans. But before you click away in disappointment, there are some important nuances to understand. Basecamp offers a generous 30-day free trial for both of its paid plans. This isn't just a basic, stripped-down trial. It gives you full access to all the features, allowing you to thoroughly test the waters and see if Basecamp is the right fit for your team before committing any money. No credit card is required to start this trial, which is a big plus, as it removes any friction or worry about forgetting to cancel. This 30-day window is ample time to set up projects, invite your team, explore communication tools, assign tasks, and generally put Basecamp through its paces in a real-world scenario. Beyond the free trial, there are very specific scenarios where Basecamp is genuinely free. If you are a teacher or a student, including homeschoolers and those in alternate education programs, Basecamp offers completely free accounts for educational purposes. This is a fantastic initiative, providing a powerful tool for classroom management, group projects, and academic collaboration without any cost. Nonprofit organizations also receive a discount, though not a completely free account. So, while the general answer to "can you use Basecamp for free?" for most businesses is no, not long-term, it's crucial to distinguish that from a limited free trial or specific educational exemptions. Now, let's talk about Basecamp's current paid plans, because even without a perpetual free tier, their pricing remains relatively straightforward compared to many competitors. They have two main plans. First, there's the Basecamp plan, sometimes referred to as the per-user plan or Basecamp Basic. This plan costs $15 per user per month. It's designed for freelancers, startups, and smaller teams. With this plan, you get unlimited projects, 500 gigabytes of storage, and access to all of Basecamp's core features. A significant benefit here is that you can invite external guests, like clients or contractors, to specific projects at no additional cost. This is a huge advantage for agencies or teams that frequently collaborate with external stakeholders. Second, there's the Basecamp Pro Unlimited plan. This plan offers unlimited users for a flat rate of $349 per month, or $299 per month if billed annually. This is essentially the evolution of their classic pricing model and is ideal for larger teams, growing businesses, or companies with many departments that need to collaborate. With Pro Unlimited, you get all the features of the per-user plan, but with a whopping 5 terabytes of storage, 1:1 onboarding support, and additional admin features. For a large organization, this flat rate can become incredibly cost-effective, as the per-user cost decreases significantly with more team members. Imagine a team of 50. That's just under $6 per user per month on the annual plan. It's worth noting that Basecamp's philosophy is to provide all features across both paid plans, meaning you're not locked out of essential functionalities just because you're on the lower tier plan. The primary differences lie in the number of users, storage space, and some premium support options. This transparency is a refreshing change from many software providers that gate core features behind expensive tiers. Let's quickly touch on why Basecamp decided to shift away from its previous forever free offering, often referred to as Basecamp Personal, which was limited to 3 projects, 20 users, and 1 gigabyte of storage. While a free plan can attract a large user base, it also comes with significant overhead in terms of support and infrastructure. For a company focused on providing a premium, streamlined experience, maintaining a perpetually free tier might have been unsustainable or diverted resources from improving their core product for paying customers. By focusing on paid plans, they can invest more in development, customer support, and robust infrastructure, ultimately benefiting all users. So, if you're a small team or individual wondering if Basecamp is for you, and you're hoping for a free ride, the answer is not long-term unless you're in education. However, the 30-day free trial is a fantastic opportunity to see if the investment in their paid plans is worthwhile for your specific needs. Basecamp's strength lies in its simplicity, its focus on clear communication, and its ability to keep projects organized without overwhelming users with unnecessary bells and whistles. It's a tool designed for getting work done efficiently, and for many teams, the value it provides in terms of productivity and reduced chaos easily justifies the cost. Before making a decision, consider your team size, budget, and specific project management requirements. If seamless communication, organized task management, and a straightforward interface are your top priorities, and you're comfortable with a monthly or annual subscription, Basecamp could be an excellent choice. Don't let the lack of a perpetual free tier deter you from exploring their robust 30-day trial. It's the best way to determine if Basecamp truly aligns with your workflow and helps your team achieve its goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.